insert the tensioner. Snug up the bolts. They're 10 millimeters. And you're going to have to redo the belt routing. Double check, make sure they're snug. I don't know the torque specs for these. Sorry about that, the camera battery died on me. So you start the belt down there, shove it through and wrap it around. And you have that down there, which is under your hood. You can see there, it shows you how the belt routes. Just follow that. Or if for some reason your truck don't have it, I'll zoom into it like that so you can see it. Pretty easy to do once you figure out how to get the belt in there. You start it in there around the belt tensioner and you wrap it around everything. Not going to be able to hold this phone and show you. You pull this down, release the tension, and then you're going to slip the belt over the alternator and you're done.